get down low.
Yo guys, what's up? I just hit 300 subs. Yeah, thank you for that. I'm back. I am bringing you the Minecraft tutorial on how to customize your Minecraft hack client main menu. Okay, yeah. Thanks to the 300 subscribers, hoping to hit 500 in the next few weeks. Thanks to the people talking in the comments below, helping people out, helping people with the live requests and stuff like that. One person asked about a clip version. Mine's Luna. Doesn't matter which one you have, best is the latest. I started on one called Indigo and I've been there since this until Mars. Don't use Mars on my Mac, but better be getting it quick. Doesn't really matter if I get it or not get it, but you know, that's the latest one out and it looks quite nice. So with no further ado, you need to go into your Minecraft hack client and you need to go to this package. So net.minecraft.client.gui and you're going to find GUI main menu. I'm just going to put it on the screen while I tell you about why I haven't done a video. So I haven't been on for some time because I have been having a cold. I've got schoolwork, I've got other videos I had to do, I had other projects I had to do, I had work, I had everything. I had Xbox as well, so be careful because that one's really fragile. So yeah, I'm back and hopefully going to be doing more tutorials. I'm waiting to hit 500 subs, then we could just blast it, and then we're probably at around 1k, hoping to go up the 100k's, just like my boy Wizard has got. Wizard has a got. Right, anyway, with no further ado, let's get into it. So you're going to scroll down till you find something called draw screen, and I'm just going to explain how this works already, so just go ahead and run it. I'm going to give you a little overview of how the current Minecraft GUI works. So voila, it is on my screen now. Wait a second. Okay. Alright, so here it is, and what you're seeing in the background is basically, I think it's 4 or 6 Minecraft in-game images. It's not one massive long one. It is somebody who's gone in, stood still, took a picture and just rotated their player 90 degrees or their head angle to 90 degrees. No tilting, nothing, just dead on 90, no scenery change, whatever. And took that picture, done this 4 times until we got a full 360, added the images together, well not added them together, just put them in a folder, and then this puts them in a line and slowly moves it around your screen. Also it's a bit more scaled, so you're looking about, it starts a little bit off the page and a bit off the page, so it's like there's a bit of a border that you can't see of the image, and that's why it looks like they're looking up, because actually what you're doing is you're physically moving up the image at some points of it. So that's it. Just wanted to explain that. A lot of people found it interesting, some people don't really matter. We've got it over and done with now, so let's get on with this. So yeah, the first thing you're going to want to do is, oh yeah, I also want to explain the buttons. They are added in through different methods because they are drawn in actual GUI classes, and they just had to make it complicated like that, but it doesn't really matter. Better API reference and we can get going. So we're going to use OpenGL. Let's just have a little look because I wanted to find out what they did. Pretty simple. Right, we can do that. Here we go. delete all the code in here, so you got nothing in here. Do draw default background. Okay, now we're going to do gl11.gl enable gl push matrix. Okay, gl11.gl pop matrix. Like that. And in the middle, gl11.gl scale f 4.5f 4.5f 1f, and the code below is draw center thingy mc dot. Okay, so draw centered string Minecraft font renderer, and then our text is going to be a client name, so YouTube client. It's now going to, yeah, okay, break it. Just gonna have to crash Minecraft real quick. Okay, good. Can't run it. Okay, I'm put minus here. Say about 10. Color OXFF. Okay, now let's put in the color codes. The first two digits. Well, the first two units are basically your transparency. So FF means 255 basically. Working it down, you go, so if you wanted it a tiniest bit untransparent, FF, you would probably do F9 like that, and you keep working that down, or even FE, you could go down like that. But really, what we're going to do is we're going to just do white. So full transparency white. Wait something. And you'll see that sticks, so it's transparency, red, green, blue. So everything is set to max, which is white. If you put 0 FF 0000000, you're gonna get black because there's no colour. So you probably already know this. But that works on hex codes. So you just need to replace this bit with your hex code, not with a hashtag, just the numbers and stuff. And you can, that OXFF is basically your hashtag or whatever, your transparency. Oh, boo. Right, okay. That is well annoying. Zero. How is that centered? Oh, width divided by 2. I'm guessing width divided by 2. Ah, that works. I'm scared to add the GL11 of your scale. 2.5f, 2.5f, 1f. Maybe that doesn't matter. Okay, that really seems to stuff up. Then times 2. Look. Then. Divided by 2. Divided by 3. This is then divided by 2 again. This is then divided by 3 again. This is then divided by 3. Divided by 3. No, what? Oh, why am I awkward? Why can't I just put 4 in there? So we just times this stuff by 4, that's it then. So if I put 4 in there now, you're going to see it start. Look at the top of the number. So if I put 8, 9, 2, 10, 9, Now, is that kind of centered? That is centered. What am I doing? I'm just gonna size this manually. Right, look, that seems to be good. And I don't like the size of what the window is. No, I can work on it like that. Now, I want to get rid of that language button because what we want to do is we want to change it from a language button to a normal button. So search up until you find, yeah, let's start here. You're going to change this new language, yeah, that's fine. Up here somewhere, you're going to see a language button. There we go. Change this to the GUI button, 5-bit. Plus 2, maybe. 98, 20. Whatever that is. Language. Okay. Stop. Right, and that's where the quit button is. So, what you want to do is go ahead and add another button for something else. I don't know what you want. I'm just adding the default Minecraft stuff. Outmanaging stuff might take me longer to make tutorials on. So add resource. No. YouTube. Let's just have a YouTube button. Just take it to YouTube. Okay. Now they're hidden, basically under that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna set this to 100 because we want to be starting at a high number because the rest could just lead up to that. So we start around 100. Right. Now you're gonna want to just do 3 and think. That was the wrong button. I'm gonna start at -100, like that. And the gap between the single player here is the fact that it starts at up here. So add single player 24. So it starts at 24 and we're saying 24. Squaring this. Super buttons. One. Copy these 2 buttons, right, and move them down to, you're just going to see a kind of that void I showed you minutes ago, right here. No, that's a crash. No, it isn't, no, it isn't. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and put that there as that, and then we'll put that there as that, like that. Okay, cool. No, not cool. There you go, that's alright, that's fine. But line. Is there some kind of next gen online? Oh, there is as well. Right, you have to change that to 3. And it's coming off the page. Okay. Now where is it? You're gonna want to change. I'm gonna move these. There, and put them there. So it doesn't do anything, but what you want to do, come up here. $24. Open. Yeah, it's quite nice, that. Okay, so there you go. That is a basic menu. We're going to do some buttons real quick. So if you go to the GUI button class, this is how it works. It just renders half the button and the rest of the button with a little colour effect on top of it. So, if you want to go over this, what you do, basically do draw rect at this dot x position, this dot y position, this dot x position dot plus this dot width, this dot y position plus height, and we just go for real basic. Go for real basic OXFF0020. Look at that. Blue. And there you go, we've got a coloured button instead. Now let's just speed this up a tiny bit. If we change the background so it's 99FF88, let's go like that. But we need to do that. Something OX88FF. FF88FF. Pink. And then obviously transparency, like I said. You just go ahead and pull it down a bit, push it up a bit, and remove that there. Now you gotta have to take in mind that these ones that aren't enabled and stuff. So if we do a few if statements, if isn't enabled, if this dot isn't enabled, then we're going to draw a darker darker pink. Oh no, sorry, didn't mean that. 99. Yeah, that's probably gonna grey that out. Yeah, think about that. CD. Still not dark in it. CC. It's a little bit darker. AA. That's off or something. Just get it dark or something. Oh, there we go. That'll do. And then else if it's hovered, so else is this. Dang. Stupid. Oh, oh wow, that is appalling. If it's Harvard, then yes. You got a very basic color, I guess. What you could do is bring this a bit brighter. I don't know, it really depends on what you want. Change that there. Disclosure. A little bit darker. OX40. 8888. Anyway, that's it. That's basically how you do a main menu. Not had much time today. Hope you like the fact that I got this video done. Please hit 500 subscribers. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay preaching as always. Yo, down.